Headlines making the afternoon news. 6-year-old boy among 3 shot in Hanover home invasion. Man busted with Uzi in St. Andrew. Ongoing operation in Grand Spain, AK-47 rifle seized. Bodies of missing Kidston man and woman found in abandoned building. The decomposing body of a Clarendon man who bodies of 2 persons who were reported missing Sunday have been found in the Neesbury Grove area of Kidston, St. Catherine. They have been identified as Georgia Blunt, a 38-year-old water vendor, and Ruel Fuller, 42, both from Bendon District in Kidston. Police said a relative of one of the deceased attended the Guanaboa Vale Police Station and reported that both persons left to make water deliveries about 7:30 a.m. on Saturday. The report indicated that about 1:57 p.m. the same day, Blunt called and revealed they were about to make the last delivery and come home. The two have not been heard or seen from since. The report was made and the police assisted with searches. About 9:45 a.m. on Monday, police received information that both bodies were found in an abandoned house. A 6-year-old boy was among 3 persons who were shot and injured by gunmen during an attack on their home in Hopewell District in Sandy Bay, Hanover on Sunday. The child was shot along with a 71-year-old man and woman. They have all been admitted to hospital, the police have reported. It was reported that around 2:50 p.m. the 3 were among other family members at the house when gunmen approached and opened fire. The gunmen then fled. After the shooting, it was realized that the 3 were suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. They were assisted to the hospital where they were treated and admitted in serious but stable condition. Police, upon processing the shooting scene, discovered 8 spent casing. No motive has been established for the attack, the police said. Members of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch are in Grand Spain, St. Andrew, where they have seized a high-powered weapon. Reports are that local authorities have confiscated an AK-47 rifle and over 60 assorted rounds of ammunition. The teams of officers continues to search.